Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent your hard drive from going to sleep on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Say your view by to large icons, and then you want to select power options from this list. And at this point, go ahead and select where on the left side where it says choose when to turn off the display. And if you want to prevent your hard drive from going to sleep, just set the drop down the second option to put the computer to sleep. Set it to never. And on top of that, if you also don't want to ever turn off the display, you can set that to never as well. But the primary option here, if you don't want your computer to go to sleep mode, you want to select that second option here. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select Save Changes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.